Today we are taking a look at the Y31 Nissan Cedric Gloria 2.0 Gran Turismo SV kit from Fujimi. This version was released in 2015 with the window mask, the 124 scale curbside kit. And it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's What's in the Box. The Y31 tooling got started in 1988 as the Y31 Nissan Cedric 3.0 V30 Turbo Brom VIP kit. This version was first released in 1988 as the new Cedric 2.0. Let's check it out. Getting started with the body. And you can see it is a multi-piece body. The front and rear bumpers are separate. You'll have to chrome the headlight buckets yourself. They are not chromed. And getting started with the chassis plate, which is a part of parts tree A. And as you can see, a good majority of the underside detail is molded into the chassis. And now taking a look at parts tree B, which contains the front and rear bumpers. And now taking a look at parts tree A, which has both interior and suspension chassis parts on it. We'll get started with the interior bucket, which typical Fujimi fashion is pretty light on the detail. And the interior door panels are pretty barren. Front seats, rear exhaust, choice of steering wheels, gear shift selector there. Well, there's a set of mirrors over here, which the mirror faces are not chrome plated. Steering column. When we move over here, you see a choice of dashboards and a rear deck spoiler. And the interesting thing here is there is a left-hand drive option as well. And then down here will be the suspension front and rear and the spare tire well. Now taking a look at the only chrome pieces in the kit, minus the wheels, be the set of grille choices. On the left you have the what looks like to be the Cedric grille option, and on the right will be the Gloria grille option. Both have what looks to be hood ornaments up to, maybe that's what that is. One thing I can think of. So there are the grille options. Now we're going to take a look at the clear parts tree. You have the main window piece here, which has some lenses on there that you'll be using, I believe. And then over here you have the lenses for each, the Gloria and the Cedric. So depending on which one you use, you'll use corresponding parts over here. Cedric on top, Gloria on the bottom. Definitely there'll be some tricky masking and painting on there because there's some black along with the other. Painting that taillight panel is going to be a bit of a challenge. We're now taking a look at the tire and wheel baggie, and you can see the tires are already attached to the wheels. So you got a couple poly caps down there, as well as metal axles for both the front and rear, and the tires. As you can see, you have center caps for the wheels there. Two choices, obviously, depending on which one you're going to go with, you'll use the corresponding center caps there. And now moving on to the last bit of things to look at, the decal sheet and masking sheet. First, the masking sheet, which you have one mount for the front and rear and side windows. But in true Fujimi fashion, these are not pre-cut. You have to cut them out yourself. Better than nothing, I suppose. And the decal sheet. One gauge cluster, and a couple options for either Gloria or Cedric decals. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple for the most part. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Nissan Cedric Gloria Gran Turismo SV kit from Fujimi. This is definitely one of those, you can knock this out in a weekend builder type kits. Yeah, whatever I just said. Simple kit. Definitely, this is definitely a good weekend builder. Simple. So, on that note, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.